What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Here we go. Oh, there's that. Oh, yep, there's that rattle. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, so this is a package I just received, and we are going to see how damaged the contents are. Now, if you don't have some newspapers or some grocery bags or something, maybe another cardboard box wadded up, but I can tell that there is nothing in here. There's no packaging. Oh, now there's one thing in here we want. I think there's like 4 or 5 items. One thing in here has to be mint. It has to be. It must. Well, there's a little packaging. I mean, I can see you put it on the bottom, but I don't even know what this piece is. Oh, that one's broke. Oh, Mickey! No, Mickey! No! All right. A little damage there. Oh, the head's starting to split. I'm not sure if you can see that there. And then, hey, Goofy don't look bad. Did this get wet? It's like some kind of dirt marks on there. I'm not sure if you can see up there. And let's see this one. Minnie's all right. Man, how hard do you gotta hit one of these to break it off? I mean, it's shattered. That's some pretty thick plastic, too. You gotta really beat on these. All right, now the important one, the Donald Duck. He's certainly dirty. Good head spring action. Hey, it's working good. But what wasn't working good is this horrible packing job. I can understand laying that stuff down and then putting this on top of it, but you need 2 layers of protection. You can't have these things bouncing around. Poor Mickey. He can't even get his ear in the game, let alone his head. Wow. But one thing we do know. We have yet another Donald Duck for our forum at the Pig. Check out www.thepigevents.com. So until next time.